Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for notifications. Today, we're tackling a really important topic: why some men stop appreciating their wives. Now, if you're married or in a long-term relationship, this might hit close to home. Whether you're a husband or a wife, understanding why appreciation sometimes fades is key to strengthening your relationship. So, let's dive into it. One of the biggest reasons is that some men start taking their wives for granted. After being together for a while, it's easy to fall into a routine. Things like cooking, cleaning, or even just being there emotionally can start to feel expected rather than appreciated. But here's the thing: just because it's routine doesn't mean it should go unnoticed. Another factor is lack of emotional awareness. Some men genuinely don't realize how important it is to show appreciation. They might think, well, she knows I love her, but that's not always enough. Saying thank you or showing love through small gestures is so important in keeping that connection alive. Now, for some guys, it might come down to cultural or social conditioning. In certain cultures or families, men might have grown up thinking that showing emotion or vulnerability makes them weak, so they keep their feelings in, thinking their actions alone speak louder than words. But ladies, you know we need both, the actions and the words. Then there's the everyday stress of life: work, bills, family pressures. Sometimes men get so caught up in these things that they lose focus on the relationship. It's not that they don't appreciate their wife, but their mind is so busy with everything else that showing appreciation just gets forgotten. On top of that, if there are unresolved issues or resentment, appreciation can fade. Maybe there's been a disagreement that never got fully worked out, and it's caused distance in the relationship. If a guy feels misunderstood or unappreciated himself, he might hold back from expressing his own gratitude. And here's another big one: complacency. Once the chase is over, some men stop putting in the effort. They think, well, I've got the relationship, I don't need to try anymore. But relationships are like plants, you have to keep watering them. Lastly, sometimes it's simply miscommunication. Men might feel they're showing appreciation by fixing things around the house or doing little tasks, but their wife might need more verbal recognition or emotional connection. It's like you're speaking different languages. So what's the solution? It all comes down to communication and self-awareness. If you're a husband, take a step back and ask yourself, am I showing her I appreciate her enough? And if you're a wife, let your partner know what makes you feel valued, whether it's a heartfelt compliment or help around the house. All right, that's it for today. Relationships take work, but showing appreciation is one of the simplest and most powerful ways to keep that love alive. Let me know in the comments if you've experienced this and how you've worked through it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.